Stop using that word.
Stop using that name.
My machines don't make mistakes.
They don't make mistakes.
My friend and I need to discuss some things. My friend and I need to be kept together at all times. I don't agree with you.
I don't agree with this review at all.
When it rains, it pours.
I mean, when it rains outside, people get wet.
You know Steve here, he likes you very much.
And he likes you very much.
Well, I think by their teeth and their paws that they're about 10 weeks old.
Listen to the boy.
Why don't you listen to the facts?
Wait for my signal.
So sit tight and wait for my word.
Don't you want to watch the movie?
Hey man, when can we watch the movie?
How do you squeeze more productivity out of a company that pays its workers $5 a day?
A factory needs to pay its workers, Willie.
Brandon, I never wanted to be an artist.
When I was young, I wanted to be an artist.
You know, we went to Los Angeles, and then we went to Las Vegas.
And then we went to the bank this morning.
How much time do you have?
How much time do you have?
He always cooks more than he needs.
I mean, Dad's a huge hockey fan, and Mom always cooks too much.
Tim is looking for his girlfriend.
Everybody, everywhere is looking for you.
Very few customers, and they don't spend much.
Very few people are privy to that information.
So, I was on the bus with my mom.
He was on the bus this morning.
And we're both born on October 11th. So will I. Your birthday's on October 11th?
Let me talk to my manager and see what we can do.
Well, you could speak to my manager.